Hello everyone, welcome to Wordy Tales. Today we bring you the greatest rivalry in football history, Cristiano Ronaldo versus Lionel Messi. For almost 2 decades, these two legends pushed each other to become the greatest of all time.
Ronaldo the Machine. Discipline, power, ambition, and never-ending hard work.
Messi the Magician. God-given talent, silky dribbling, and football intelligence like no other.
They competed in La Liga. Ronaldo at Real Madrid, Messi at Barcelona. Every week was war.
Ballon d'Or after Ballon d'Or, they kept breaking records and each other's records. But behind the rivalry, there was always deep respect. Ronaldo once said, "I need Messi and Messi needs." Their competition made both greater. Ronaldo is an incredible player and a great competitor. So friends, the real lesson is, a true rival makes you better, not bitter. Hard work, talent, respect, and love for the game. This is what Ronaldo versus Messi taught the world. Thank you for watching. Who is your GOAT, Ronaldo or Messi? Comment below.